Hello everyone, again welcome. Today we are diving into the world of very beautiful decorating ideas of very beautiful beauty of your home, fireplace, and a very special place to your home, fireplace and stocking. So, welcome to the warm and cozy space filled with creativity, love, and mindfulness. Today we will explore how beautiful fireplace decorations and handmade stockings can turn your home into a sanctuary of peace and joy the Xmas season. These are not just decoration, they are a symbol of togetherness, creativity and care. Every ribbon you tie, every stocking you hand hold a story, a moment shared with family and a touch of your own imagination. The fireplace is the heart of the home, glowing with warmth, comfort, and tradition. Decorating it mindfully brings energy and balance. Decorating it mindfully brings energy and balance to your space. Add natural touches. Pine cones, jute, garlands, candles, and fairy lights. And feel how the room instantly becomes alive with calm. As you place each decoration, take a deep breath. Feel the rhythm of creativity. This slow, thoughtful process connects you with the true spirit of the season. Peace, gratitude, and mindfulness. Now let's talk about the charm of X-Max stocking. And in this video, we have shared most beautiful ideas of stocking, whether handmade from felt, burlap, or soft tradition. They are a symbol of giving and connection. When families decorate stocking together, painting names, adding bells or buttons, they create moments of laughter and love. This shared activity boosts creativity, patience, the emotional bonding. A mindful way to spend time with children and loved ones. Let the kids design their own stocking and let them do what they want to do. Their imagination brings innocence and joy. The decor reminder everyone what Xmas truly means. Designing your fireplace and stocking area can be a mindful art from and it can be a mindful art form. Mix recycled materials like old wooden boards, jute fibers, or mason jars with modern festive touches, gold ribbons, fairy lights, or pine branches. Keep the colors soft and natural, earthy browns, creamy white, golds, and greens. These tones create a peaceful balance, symbolizing warmth and nature calm energy. Each design choice reflects your mood and creativity. You are not just decorating a piece, you are designing an atmosphere filled with harmony and emotional wellness. Healthy creativity. Mindful decoration is more than arranging things beautifully, it's about being fully present in every step. As you decorate, silence distractions, focus on your senses. The scent of pine, the texture of jute, and soft glow of light. This awareness brings calm and reduces stress, turning the act of decorating into a gentle form of meditation. Where children participate, they learn focus, patience, and joy in simple acts. It is also enhance fine motor skills and emotional development. A healthy creative habit that nurtures both the mind and heart. Together, you create not just art but peace. Imagine a cozy evening, the crackling, the stocking hanging, and family gather around with laughter and story. This is the essence of mindful X-Max decoration connection. Each handmade stocking becomes a keepsake. Each decoration carries the warmth of time spent together. These shared moments brings emotional comfort, gratitude, and lasting memories. In a world that moves so fast, Crafting and decorating together helps families slow down and truly enjoy each other's presence. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for joining us today, and thank you for joining the warmth, creative